Hey, I'm Shantae Holiday, and I'm an autism mom and advocate, and welcome. So far, we've talked about understanding the IEP process, preparing for meetings, and building confidence when advocating for your child. Now we're going to talk about common school accommodations and support services that may help autistic children academically, emotionally, socially, and behaviorally. Now, a lot of parents don't realize how many different types of support may exist for children at school. And honestly, it can feel overwhelming trying to figure out what your child may need. So in this video, I want to help you become more familiar with common accommodations and services that your school may provide. So every child is different, and what works for one child may not work for another, and that's okay. The goal is not perfection. The goal is understanding options and finding support that help your child succeed. So some common classroom accommodations include preferential seating, movement breaks. They can have extended testing time, visual schedules. That actually helped my son a lot. Reduced distractions, noise reducing headphones. That also helped my son a lot. My son Cash is level 2 autism. Modified assignments, extra transition time, things like that. So these accommodations are designed to reduce stress and help children function more successfully during the school day. So some autistic children also benefit from sensory supports like sensory breaks, calm down spaces, flexible seating, fidgets, reduced sensory stimulation, those type of things. So sensory overload can impact learning, focus, emotional regulation, and behavior. So these supports can be very important. Another common support is speech therapy. Speech services are not only for children who are nonverbal. Some autistic children benefit from support with social communication, expressing emotions, conversational skills, and understanding language. So, occupational therapy is another service many families hear about. Occupational therapy can help with fine motor skills, sensory regulation, handwriting, emotional regulation, and daily functioning skills. Now, many children may also receive behavioral support services depending on their needs. And I want to remind you something important. Behavior is communication. So sometimes behaviors are connected to anxiety and sensory overload, communication struggles, emotional dysregulation, or difficulty with transitions. Support should focus on understanding the child, not simply punishing behaviors. Another important thing to remember is that your child's needs may change over time. So what helps now may look different later, and that's completely normal. You also do not need to memorize every accommodation or support overnight. So this process takes time, and the more you learn, the more confident you'll become identifying what may help your child. So the goal is not creating the perfect IEP. The goal is creating support systems that help your child feel safer, more supported, and more successful at school. So I will see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.